Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a CPU showdown between the Intel Core i5-12600K and the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you make the best purchasing decision. Let's start with the price. The Intel Core i5-12600K is priced at $342, while the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X is more budget-friendly at $299. If you're looking to save some money, the Ryzen 5-7600X is the clear winner in this category, making it a great choice for those on a tighter budget. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i5-12600K boasts a 10-core, 3.70 GHz processor with hyper-threading and turbo boost, along with integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics. Reviewers highlight its stable performance up to 5.1 GHz and its ability to handle gaming and multitasking efficiently. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X features a 6-core, 4.70 GHz processor with AMD Radeon graphics. Reviews praise it for its impressive gaming performance, high clock speeds, and multitasking capabilities, despite running slightly hot. Compatibility is essential. The Intel Core i5-12600K uses the LGA1700 socket, fitting well with Intel 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. Reviewers find it easy to install and appreciate the integrated graphics. The AMD Ryzen 5-7600X uses the socket AM5, making it compatible with a wide range of motherboards. It's praised for its ease of installation and high compatibility, much like assembling IKEA furniture without the hassle. Cache memory is crucial for performance. The Intel Core i5-12600K comes with a 16 MB L3 cache, which helps in quickly retrieving frequently used data. Reviewers find this feature enhances system performance significantly. The AMD Ryzen 5-7600X steps up with a combined 6 MB L2 and 32 MB L3 cache, offering even better performance in data retrieval. Reviewers appreciate this for its speed and efficiency, likening it to having a personal assistant and a butler. Efficiency is key for any processor. The Intel Core i5-12600K, built on Intel's 7 architecture, promises improved performance per watt and power efficiency. Reviewers note its cool operation and stable performance. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X is built on a 5nm process technology, ensuring high productivity and reliable performance. It runs slightly hot but is praised for its efficiency and benchmark performance. Overall, the Intel Core i5-12600K is praised for its performance, ease of installation, and cool operation, making it a strong contender for gamers and multitaskers. The AMD Ryzen 5-7600X is lauded for its gaming capabilities, affordability, and efficient architecture, though it runs slightly hot. Both CPUs have garnered positive feedback for their respective strengths. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which CPU you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, game on and buy smart.